Today is a bit of a different video here on Empyre Off-Road. Greg from Empyre Off-Road is going to be showing you how to install these Raptor lights on a 2018 to 2021 Toyota Tundra with TRD Pro style grille. You can get it done in a few minutes with just a few tools. So, Greg, take it away.
So what you're gonna get is you're gonna get 3 Raptor lights. As of right now, they come in amber and they come in smoke white. We're gonna be adding smoked amber and regular white very soon. You're gonna get some mounting screws, then you're gonna get a wiring harness in addition to, and I've already done some pre-wiring here, an ATA fuse, which comes with a 10 amp and a 5 amp fuse, and you're gonna get your ground white right here. Both of these come detached, and so you're gonna need to crimp those on. What I do as soon as I crimp anything on is I wrap them up really good with electrical tape to make sure that no moisture gets in there. What I like to do before I take off the grill is I like to do my wiring first. And it's gonna be a little bit more difficult to show you just because of where things are placed here in the truck. But what we're gonna do is I'm gonna ground to this right here. This is gonna be my ground, and then we're gonna be pulling, I believe it's the INJ fuse. So if you're looking at your fuse box right here, I've already got my little fuse remover right here on it. It's gonna be this third 10 amp fuse. It's gonna be right in the middle between two 10 amps, a 10 amp and a 7.5 amp. And so you're gonna take that fuse out right there, first and foremost. Again, this ATA fuse right here comes with a 10 amp, which replaces that 10 amp, and then it adds a 5 amp in there to be able to power these lights. So let's go ahead and get these added really quick. So this just plugs right in. There's nothing fancy about it. Plugs right in. Let's go ahead and take that out. The next thing that we're gonna do in order to get this grill off is we're gonna pop these right here. We're gonna completely remove them, okay? And we're gonna pop that, set that right there. And then for time's sake, again, 10mm socket, you're gonna take these out. I've already done that. So we're gonna remove those screws right there. And then you're gonna wanna remove this right here. And I've already removed this. This is for the Toyota safety sense right here. And first, you're gonna need to make sure that you're lifted off these little screws right here. And then I like to come underneath right here, and I like to just pop this really quick so that I'm not breaking anything as I pull it out. Okay, that's out. That one. All right, Cleo. This is gonna be the upside. It slides right into the grill, and then you hook it together with 2 screws. They're gonna slide right in from the front. A little bit more difficult than a Tacoma light installation, but it's still relatively straightforward. All right, those should be ready to go. There, right there. Split taps.
So that's how you install these Raptor lights on your 2018 to 2021 Toyota Tundra with the TRD Pro style grille. Want these lights for your Tundra? Head on over to empyreoffroad.com, link in the description. For more product installations, tips and tricks, and more for Tundras, Tacomas, and 4Runners, make sure you hit subscribe. Thanks for watching.